हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज स्टूडेंट्स मैं आपके लिए स्पीड क्लास लेके आई हूँ। तो चलिए स्टूडेंट्स शुरू करते हैं हमारी स्पीड क्लास 50 to 60 वर्ड्स पर मिनट की स्पीड में। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। और यहाँ पे मैं टाइमर भी यूज करूंगी, ठीक है। टाइमर के अकॉर्डिंग मैं स्पीड आपको दूंगी। तो चलिए रेडी हो जाइए। So are you ready? 1, 2, 3, start. Mr. Deputy Speaker, it is with great pleasure and pride that I support this budget. First of all, I would like to congratulate our finance minister. Under the dynamic leadership of our prime minister, he has presented a marvelous budget which has got very many new dimensions. He has studied the basic problems of this big country and has made an earnest attempt to give a good start to solve them. In the past, after independence, we have achieved tremendous progress in this country. In the agricultural sector, I don't think any country has made this much progress during such a short period as we have. In the industrial sector also, a country which was not producing anything at the time of independence is now producing almost everything that is comparable to that of a developed country. Sir, due to shortage of time, I don't want to go into the details of our achievements. Still, the burning problem in the country is unemployment and underemployment, especially unemployment of the youth. In many countries which claim that there is no unemployment, either they have only a thin population or they are sending the new generation to the agricultural field because they have got even now virgin lands for cultivation. But in India, especially in a state like Kerala, due to overpopulation and scarcity of land, it is not possible. So the only way to solve that burning problem of unemployment in this country is to give a big boost to the development of industries that not only generates employment but produces wealth also. So the present approach of our budget will help a lot to solve the unemployment problem in our country. Whatever be the criticism, I congratulate this government on its bold steps to boost the growth of Indian industries and to give relief to the poor, low paid and the farmers. Crop insurance is a long-standing demand of our farmers. Even though there are so many practical difficulties for its implementation, the government have boldly decided to prepare a scheme for the same. The leaders of the opposition were also forced to concede certain very good proposals of the budget. For example, my honorable friend has said, I welcome the crop insurance for farmers and assistance to craftsmen. I agree that this budget is sweet and it will cure many of the disease now in existence in the society. तो स्टूडेंट्स ये थी स्पीड क्लास 50 to 60 वर्ड्स पर मिनट की स्पीड मैंने आज आपको दी है. आई होप आपको मेरी प्रोनाउंसिएशन अच्छे से समझ में आई होगी. तो मैं उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी होगी. तो इसी तरह की आगे आने वाली वीडियो में मेरे साथ बने रहने के लिए मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, मुझे ज्यादा से ज्यादा सपोर्ट कीजिए ताकि मैं जल्दी से जल्दी इस तरह की वीडियोस ला पाऊं और आप घर बैठे स्टेनोग्राफी सीख सकें. तो थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग मी. बाय बाय, टेक केयर.